Ini. Apa sih Ali? Ali apa lagi? Agent Ali. Agent Ali, Bobo Boy, Omar Hana, Didi and Friends. And so,
we've got the Kakak APM this year. Oyen on screen.
Oyen. 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 Aduh, ingat kucing saya yang hilang cuy. Tarjo namanya ya, Tarjo. Anjingnya pusing ini. Waduh, gila. Udah pakai sepatu. Susah dia jalan itu, dia pakai sepatu. Aduh. Mohon maaf banget. Sekali lagi mohon maaf banget cuy. Kali ini saya mengaku kalah ya. Saya mengaku kalah. 1 jam saja saya boleh berdiri cuy. Sumpah. Yo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan saya Andy di channel Andy Tech.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome performance by Abang DJ.
Oke cuy, bagaimana kabar korang hari ini? Saya harap semuanya dalam keadaan sehat pastinya cuy. Seperti biasa selalu saya cakap dan selalu saya katakan jangan lupa jaga kesehatan cuy. Dan saya pribadi mengucapkan ya selamat hari kemerdekaan untuk negara Malaysia yang ke-68 tahun cuy ya. Semoga ya pemerintahan Malaysia itu senantiasa gitu ya memberikan yang terbaik untuk warganya ya, masyarakatnya gitu cuy. Nggak seperti di Indonesia sekarang yang lagi sakit ya. Indonesia sekarang lagi sakit cuy. Jadi ya sebenarnya hari kemerdekaan Indonesia kemarin ya tanggal 17 Agustus itu kayak ada yang kurang gitu cuy ya. Kemerdekaan itu nggak sama dengan tahun-tahun yang lalu gitu cuy. Ya mungkin karena terlalu banyak gitu ya korup ya yang ditemukan. Dan ya sakit hati warga itu sudah menumpuk gitu ya. Dan akhirnya sekarang ya di kota saya sekarang ini lagi demo ya, lagi demo besar-besaran cuy. Ya sebenarnya miris juga sih ya, karena di luar sana itu udah demonya itu udah lewati batas gitu cuy ya. Udah pokoknya intinya udah kelewatan lah gitu cuy ya. Nah sekarang saya mereaksinya ini kondisi lagi berdiri cuy ya, karena saya lihat video saya tahun lalu banyak yang berkomentar nggak menghargai gitu cuy, nggak menghargai lagu kebangsaan lah, nggak menghargai upacara di Malaysia seperti apalah. Nggak tahu kalau di YouTube lain cuy, tapi kalau di channel saya banyak yang berkomentar seperti itu. Nah sekarang saya berdiri cuy ya demi menghormati gitu ya. Oke, ini karena videonya terlalu panjang, langsung aja kita lihat videonya cuy ya. 3, 2, 1.
The royal arrival of His Majesty Sultan Ibrahim, King of Malaysia, and of course accompanied
Raja.
by Her Majesty Raja Zarif Sofia, Queen of Malaysia.
Oh, pakai bahasa Inggris ini.
Is also a good opportunity for all our
Wah.
young generation, even for adults.
Mohon maaf ini kalau saya nggak terlalu paham ya.
Actually witness what it's like being in the parade and to receive our Yang di-Pertuan Agong, the protocols, the processes. We will bring everything live.
Oh langsung ketibaan ya, ketibaan di Pertuan Agung.
We also await your arrival. For those of you who want to come and join us here, guys, it's very, very easy to get here. By the way, all you got to do, if you want to skip the jam, skip the mess, just go park at Putrajaya Central. There's feeder buses running every 10 minutes, and it brings you directly into the heart of the parade. You're not going to have to do much.
Begitu bangga lah ya menjadi masyarakat atau lahir di Malaysia cuy.
Very affordable as well. So they've made it very, very easy and convenient.
Mana mau kereta mobil raja cuy.
And it's not just the feeder buses from Putrajaya Central. There are also some, I would say, water-based ferries.
Itu yang warna biru?
People. So depending on where you would be parking your vehicles around Jataran Putrajaya, there will be a means of public transport assisting you you to bring you to the location of our
Yang mana
National
sih?
Day Parade today. Now, of course, maybe those of them at home, they fear
Wih, ini Proton ya? Proton lama ini cuy.
in terms of road closure, or they may be stopped by traffic,
Oh.
traffic as well heading here. But fret not,
Raja
you guys,
bawa kereta
we will be
sendiri.
bringing you all the live updates as well, even if
Menggunakan
you're not able
Proton-
to head down
Proton
here.
lama, cuy.
Now,
Wah ini.
this is Rahim, King of Malaysia, and accompanied by Her Majesty Raja Zahid Sophia, Queen of Malaysia. Now this angle,
Oh, bersama
tell us
Queen.
about that, Daryl.
Yeah, so this
Sama
is, I
Putri.
think, being taken from
Ratu.
one of our special angles. But if you really want to be in the thick of it all, ladies and gentlemen, all you have to do is download RTM Click onto your mobile phone, and you'll
Kereta
be able to
Proton apa ini
basically
cuy?
join us here virtually via the app.
Yes,
and if you have
and-
3D goggles, sorry, not virtual 3D goggles, virtual goggles.
And just
Tapi
to
modelnya
also
keren sih.
share with you, this is actually an amazing perspective to witness that our
Bukan yang ada di
Royal
ini sih,
Highness,
di kantornya
His Majesty
ini.
Sultan
Arriving.
Ibrahim, King of Malaysia, is actually driving our
Nih,
local
gila sih ya.
Proton Satria Neo 2, our National Day Parade. Truly a remarkable
Satria?
view and
Apa dia bilang tadi,
experience
Satria
to be able
Neo
to witness
2 apa?
this ourselves. Of course, once again, he's accompanied by Her Majesty Raja Zahid Sophia, and shortly he will be taking their steps for the royal salute and royal honor.
It's such a humbling moment to see this. Let's enjoy this moment, ladies and gentlemen.
Berwibawa banget ya muka raja coy. Emang semuanya raja sih kayak gitu ya. Berwibawa. Gubernur. Perdana Menteri, gubernur lagi. Perdana Menteri. Saya ini seakan-akan ada di barisan cuy ya, berdiri. Merasakan juga gitu ya. Kalau ikut upacara Malaysia. Wow. Oh, tangannya di sini ya. Daulat Tuanku. Sorry cuy kalau saya salah seperti ini ya. Baik, serempak cuy. Laporan. Seluarnya keren cuy. Kuning hitam.
Kawalan-kawalan dari Batalion Utama Regimen Askar Melayu Diraja siap untuk operasi pohon pertengahan Tuan.
Oh, pemeriksaan ya. Oh, harus gitu jalannya, cuy. Disentak sekali. Saya benar-benar kayak merasakan berada di ini nih, di sana cuy, upacara gitu cuy, berdiri seperti ini ya. Mungkin tahun depan lah ya, kalau ada rezeki, baru benar-benar berdiri di sana cuy. Untuk tahun ini Indonesia lagi sakit jadi nah ini hormat. Berat itu cuy. Ini harus disentak gitu ya. Cantiknya tuh. Ya Allah tuanku. Oke. Penaikan benderanya belum ini cuy. Biasanya tahun lalu itu langsung penaikan bendera ya, kalau raja udah duduk. Nah, perwakilan semua tuh cuy di situ. Tapi kok banyak yang kosong ya? Nggak seperti tahun lalu gitu ya. Entah saya aja yang melihat seperti itu atau gimana cuy. Ya tadi banyak tempat yang kosong gitu.
Perbarisan keluar kawalan kehormatan utama.
Lihat samping sini itu banyak kosong cuy. Wah, ini penaikan bendera wajib ini cuy, hormat.
Mohon hadirin terus berdiri hormat dan sama-sama mengikuti lafaz ikrar rukun negara.
Nggak ada yang hormat, kok saya sendiri yang hormat cuy. Kalau di Indonesia kalau penaikan bendera gitu hormat cuy. Ya kembali lagi ya, setiap negara beda-beda cuy ya. Ya setidaknya inilah menghormatilah.
Pada 28 Ogos 2023 atas tindakan spontan, cekam dan penuh tanggungjawab awam ini ke bawah Duli Yang Maha Mulia.
Wow,
Yang di-Pertuan Agong,
semua adat ada di sini nih.
Pingat Jasa Perkasa Persekutuan pada 2 Jun 2025.
Turut serta 68 pelajar Universiti Pertahanan Nasional Malaysia usai lapas ikrar rukun.
Kalau dengar
Lautan Keramat Merdeka.
anak sekolah itu kayak langsung ingat Zahra cuy.
Mohon dipersilakan hadirin sekalian berdiri hormat dan sama-sama melafazkan ikrar rukun negara.
Oh, ada rukun negara. Kalau di Indonesia bilang Pancasila kali cuy ya. Benar nggak?
Mendukung cita-cita hendak mencapai perpaduan yang lebih erat
Atau
dalam kalangan seluruh masyarakatnya, memelihara cara hidup demokratik, mencipta satu masyarakat yang adil di mana kemakmuran negara akan dapat dinikmati secara adil dan saksama, menjamin satu cara liberal terhadap tradisi-tradisi kebudayaannya yang kaya dan berbagai corak, membina satu masyarakat progresif yang akan menggunakan sains dan teknologi moden.
Maka kami, rakyat Malaysia, berikrar akan menumpukan seluruh tenaga dan usaha kami untuk mencapai cita-cita tersebut berdasarkan atas prinsip-prinsip yang berikut. Kepercayaan kepada Tuhan, kesetiaan kepada raja dan negara, keluhuran perlembagaan, kedaulatan undang-undang, kesopanan dan kesusilaan, Merdeka! 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 Merdeka!
Terima kasih hadirin, silakan duduk. Acara diteruskan.
Ini mic-nya saya silent cuy karena lagi azan ya.
Or rather, Army Music Training Center, and this is actually led by Lieutenant Khairul Anwar. Now, this is actually the official music of the Malaysian Army, and they serve as a central institution for training military music, many of which are sent overseas.
That's right, and we also have the contingent of the large Jalur Gemilang flag bearers. This is from the Military Training Academy from UPNM as well. That's about 100 people down there carrying that big Jalur Gemilang.
Yes, and I believe it's an 80 feet by 40 feet.
That's right.
Jalur Gemilang as well, marching across the royal box. Amazing to see a mix of our national security, I would say, departments and organizations coming together to bear the large Jalur Gemilang flag.
Oke, azan udah selesai cuy. Sorry ya, saya mute.
To you right now, this is actually the SMK
Ah, kontijen cuy.
band.
Udah mulai ya.
Drum Major Siu Ting Tao. This is actually a brass band, a uniform.
Ini baru berapa menit cuy. Udah pegel ya, terasa kaki ya.
Achievement is that they've actually managed to receive a silver medal
Drum
recently
band.
for the World Championship marching show in 2011. Amazing.
Masalahnya bahasa Inggris cuy. Jadi kita nggak
I would say students and the younger
tahu semuanya gitu ya.
And on screen right now, we've got
Sebagian
the
saja
contingent
yang kita
of
paham.
Jalur Gemilang flag bearers. There's about 100 plus people there as well. This is led by Captain KRS Luqman Al-Hakim bin Muhammad Tamyaz from SMKA Putrajaya.
Oh, SMK Putrajaya.
That sea of Jalur Gemilang is just blowing in the breeze. Really does send a sense of pride to all of us.
Oh, ini semua bendera yang negeri yang ada di Malaysia cuy.
And right now on your screens, you're actually witnessing the Victoria Institution Band, consisting a total of 50 members. Now, this band was actually established in 1909, the oldest school marching band in
School marching band.
Southeast Asia. And lately, actually, just recently, they managed to garner the overall champion for the senior field parade category under the 2024 Malaysia International Marching Arts Championship.
Quite a feat, Arin, quite a feat to achieve. Now we've got our
Luas
national
banget ya Putrajaya jalannya itu.
flag bearers. Look at that, guys. Try and see if you can spot your state flag over there.
Semua bendera sini cuy.
Honor for your
Yeah.
respective states as well.
There's about 100 members there as well, led by the Malaysian Red Crescent Cadet Muhammad Kamil Ihsan bin Nazaruddin from SMK Putrajaya, Precinct 8.
Now, for those of you joining us, we've just started with our National Day Parade. There are various different contingents and also organizations are marching across the Dataran
ASEAN.
Putrajaya. And
yes.
here we have the
Asia Malaysia
Exclusive
2025. Apa ini?
2025. This is the ASEAN float that you're seeing here because we are the
ASEAN.
Championship for this year. This is the
ASEAN
ASEAN 2025
Championship. Apa
Championship
7
contingent, coordinated by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, led by YM Raja Saiful Ridwan. It's got about 107 civil servants.
Oh, lengkap di sini ya,
from
ASEAN
ministries,
cuy.
marching through the square right now. And of
Indonesia,
course, we've got the 20
Singapura,
representatives from ASEAN and
Kamboja.
Timor-Leste embassies. And of course, on that float, you've got the 10 ASEAN flags on it as well. And the theme for this year, I just want to highlight, is inclusivity
keretanya,
and
cuy.
sustainability. That's the theme that Malaysia has chosen as the chairmanship. And we're going to be seeing a lot of that theme, inclusivity and sustainability, throughout the rest of the parade as well, Arin.
Yes.
Budaya, adat.
Right, and right
Ya,
now
baju-baju
you're
adat
seeing
itu.
on screen, also a new
Budaya.
addition with the ASEAN
ras,
It's actually the Visit Malaysia Year
Cina, India,
2026
itu Cina,
contingent.
India,
A total of
Melayu.
120 participants and 16 trishaws representing state icons and federal territory icons as well. Now this is of course coordinated by the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture led by Yang Berusaha Tuan Chua Chun Hua. And amazing to see the colours that are brought forward, showcasing the flora, the fauna, the ethnic costumes, of
Ethnic,
various
ya, ethnic
communities,
flora,
traditional
fauna.
musical instruments. Now this is of course
Durian ini
welcoming
musangking
the
itu sih.
world to visit Malaysia 2026. Now once again you can see
Ini kereta yang di
richly decorated
Melaka yang dibawa ini.
trishaws that represent each state, and I would say they highlight
Kereta lagi becak.
important component or attractive
Becak yang di Melaka ini sih.
that they have in their states as well.
And over here we have
Apa ini?
the
Ush.
assets of the Jalur Gemilang Independence Expedition Contingent.
Expedition.
Ladies and gentlemen, these guys went all
Susah sih bahasa Inggris, Cok.
88 checkpoints, right?
Itu cuma menerka-nerka ini, cuy.
Inspiring patriotism in all Malaysians' hearts. I mean, round of applause to these guys. 88 checkpoints. You got to be passionate to be able to pull off something like that. Not just passionate about being on a bike, but passionate for your country as well.
We're riding across Malaysia.
Motoris itu kayak burung hantu.
Experience for them to
Unti jenaba ini.
and around Malaysia and to meet all the nation of Malaysia as well. Now we're moving to our
Kumpulan wang simpanan pekerja. Bank ya, bank.
Employees Provident Fund. Now of course they are main to know for promoting financial literacy and independence with the mottos save wisely, let's save freedom from scams. Amazing to have a total of 97 employees from the EPF, or better known to you guys as KWSP, along with their assets.
Jangan bilang supirnya juga gini nih bawa kereta.
One of their mobile trucks, their roving trucks. Very, very cool.
Amazing, and they also offer on-the-go counter service now, along with some of the
Seperti biasa ya, bank dulu.
sector contingent under social well-being and people's cluster. You notice the Permodalan National Berhad PNB, or
National
rather
Berhad.
National Investment Corporation, a total of 75 packs.
Ini kayaknya siaran
Free
TV tuh ini
mascots,
untuk
along
luar
the
negara ini, cuy ya.
And yeah.
Got the SOXO team as
Perasaan
well.
tahun lalu nggak bahasa Inggris gitu ya.
Security organization
Ya salah ini, cuy.
packs carrying their portable beach flags.
Gak apa-apa lah, udah terlanjur.
We also had the Retirement Fund Incorporated,
Apa ini?
KWAP, and
My-
we also had
Ish, comelnya.
And right now, I see what you're witnessing on screen is actually the
The LHDN float.
Ish,
Alena was
keren ya.
mentioning that she saw
Gabungan
earlier.
kuning dengan hitam.
Exactly, and this actually highlights My Invoice, which actually aimed at educating and promoting the implementation of e-invoicing throughout Malaysia as well. And right now we are actually witnessing
My
some
bank.
of the banking and finance sector.
Banking
under economic
and
social
finance.
development cluster as well. Part of them that you have seen are
That's right.
CIMB, BSN,
Maybank, Public Bank Group as well. It's nice to see all these banks come together.
Ah, cuy.
in the business world, sometimes
Ternyata
it can be seen as
udah berkeringat
competitors,
ini
but
berdiri.
today, during Merdeka, we're all here as Malaysians.
Yes, and you also have the
Pokoknya challenge-nya ini harus sampai selesai, cuy. Ini 1 jam lebih, jadi harus sampai selesai. Supaya ada yang berbeda gitu ya setiap tahun.
As well, along with other banking and finance sector companies that are joining through the parade.
Now we've got the Economic and Social Development Cluster. This is the construction and services sector. This whole contingent consists of 465 packs, starting of course with the placard bearers,
MRCB.
Malaysian flag bearers, company flag bearers, contingent leaders. We have the YTL Corporation, UEM Group Berhad, MAHB, MAG, FGH, and of course MRCB as well. You can see the MRCB.
MRCB itu apa, cuy?
To see actually the MRCB float, just to highlight to you guys, they're actually showcasing iconic projects that
Apa?
connect
Coba kita lihat ininya.
people, green
Aksesoris
communities,
apa?
symbolize progress, innovation, and
Oh, kontraktor kali cuy. Ya.
Along with their next economy, communication and innovation for the people cluster, and we have once again just to
Iya, bagian pembangunan ya.
MRCB float.
Benar nggak?
As we move to our
Ini banyak pertanyaan pasti saya nih cuy, karena ini video bahasa Inggris ya. Maklumin aja lah ya.
Right now we have the Tenaga National Berhad, and they also
Tenaga
have
Nasional
a
Berhad.
mascot as well, along with four-wheel drive EV Maxus. We have
There's the mascot you were talking
that's the
about.
mascot.
Yeah.
Nah, ini kalau ini saya tahu.
The Dynacorn is making
Apa namanya nih?
experience at the Maxus
Internet.
as well.
Dynacorn, of course, backed by popular demand from last year.
Yes, and along with, we have the Petronas contingent, U-Mobile organization
Nih, mobile.
running in under the cluster.
Oh, ini yang kepalanya.
Amazing to see, and right now we're actually moving to a little, yes, I know you can see some panda,
Panda.
on your
Panda,
screen as we have
panda.
the resources, technology, innovation, and human
Apa
capital
lagi nih?
development cluster. So
Ultras.
amazing to see many of these companies joining in, as
Yes,
you may
that's right. You've got
notice.
SD Guthrie and Mardi Corporation, representing our food resources management. We've got Mr. DIY over there.
Mr. DIY, we have the
And
Malaysian
MCMC.
Society for Occupational Safety and Health. And
Here we have the Grab. You can see the Grab contingent on screen. They're of course,
electric cars as well.
they're of course trying to highlight that. They're trying to go green as well. Again, this is where we're talking about our chairmanship as ASEAN, where we're trying to promote sustainability.
Truly, and right now we're actually moving to the
Grab.
broadcasting contingent, and of course, as you notice, our
RTM, RTM, RTM.
Yes.
yang berbahagia
Ini radio kan? Radio,
Suhaimi
TV.
as well with us, joining us, showing off RTM leading
Astro
the
ada.
parade along with other broadcasting
Semua penyiaran ini.
Astro, and we also have Bernama,
Bernama
Mr. Global Berhad, My TV Broadcasting,
Astro.
Sedran Berhad, and Media Prima Berhad as well, joining in along with the Ho bus, an asset of Astro with some recognizable faces.
Yeah, that was
in
our
cooperation
Minister of
different
Communications.
departments.
Yeah, he must be very proud watching all his the contingents that represents his ministry go by.
Amazing. The
Contingent
response
industri
absolutely
apa tadi?
amazing down here, Dataran Putrajaya. And now we're moving to
ini.
industry contingent. Elena.
Apa sih Ali? Ali apa lagi? Agent Ali, Bobo Boy,
Favorite character right there.
Omar Hana,
Didi and Friends.
Didi and Friends.
I work with one of the co-writers of the songs.
Okay.
So I know it.
Bobo Boy.
I know it well.
Wow.
Right.
Really? Okay,
Ini sih yang menurut saya yang lagi naik daun banget gitu ya, mendunia gitu.
Bobo Boy, another one from
Animasi Malaysia itu.
yeah.
And this is actually a favorite of even adults in Malaysia.
Yeah, no, I'm a big fan of Agent Ali. I watch it even.
Agent Ali.
Amazing. As we move to next, our national sports contingent. This is actually one of our very new contingents as well. And
Yeah.
yes, we have
Got
our
Hannah Yeoh up on
yes,
stage on
Minister
camera just
of
now, yeah.
Sports as well.
Minister of Youth and Sports.
And
Sumpah cuy,
right
kaki
now,
udah pegal banget ini cuy.
this is also Elena, one of our very new contingents. You see some of the kids there as well. How do you feel so far about the parade? Are you seeing some of your favorites?
Yeah, I think it's great. The atmosphere here is
Oh,
so
legend
nice.
ini, kereta legend ini cuy.
Felt like tearing up.
Wah, ini Proton ini pasti.
Joy.
Nih, ini yang legend ini.
People who usually work behind the scenes are,
Saga kan?
not from our industry.
Apa?
Yeah.
Now we're going back to the parade over here. We've got the DRB Highcom. They're displaying 44 assets on screen right now. 15 Proton cars, also 29 Moderna's cars. Now Proton, of course,
Modena.
pride of the nation because it was the first car produced by by Malaysia, founded in 1983, May 7th. And of course, after that, Pro Dua came along with in 1993, but Proton being
Wah,
first
ini.
in the country.
Yes, and right now as we move to an addition to the
Keluaran terbaru ya.
Daryl just mentioned, we also have the new EMA.
Yang listrik ini ya.
Initiative of
Elektrik.
Sustainability and environmental friendly approach of Malaysia, bringing to you electric
Elektrik ya, elektrik.
Very own of Proton,
Itu yang putih cuy.
one of Proton.
Gila itu yang putih-putih.
Also witness our King of Malaysia driving in with the Proton Satria Neo earlier as well. And this is actually highlighting
Satria
how
Neo.
electric vehicle
Ini yang elektrik ya?
Proton has been producing lately over the years. And as we move past to the next continent.
Besides the Protons, you'll notice a bunch of these familiar brands. And while they may not be Malaysian brands, they are cars that are assembled in our country.
Iri.
Highlighting this because this shows
Indonesia iri.
in the EV assembly line globally.
Brand Malaysia punya cuy. Indonesia,
Some
aduh.
of these brands of cars are maybe familiar to you, but perhaps not many know that they were actually locally assembled.
They're locally
And some
assembled.
of the parts were actually made here as well.
It really showcases the skills we have as a nation and as a people moving forward into the future, trying to be in line with that sustainability theme.
Truly, and as we move to our well-being contingent as well,
Miti.
what you just witnessed earlier on the screen, we love our ministers cheering around, our VIPs are cheering around for our parade as we move to the next public service contingent, the well-being contingent, and starting with the public service, of course, a total of 220
Of
members
kesejahteraan.
involved in 30 ministries and government departments represented by civil servants of diverse backgrounds, communities and sectors, including persons with disabilities, nurses, teachers, pharmacists, wildlife rangers, and each according to their respective fields of duty in support of the Public Service Reform Agency. We are truly honored to have them grace us through the parade.
To be part of the parade this year. I mean, just look at that coordination, folks. We're now moving on to Kementerian Perdagangan Dalam Negeri.
Perdagangan dalam negeri.
Ministry of Domestic Trade and Cost of Living, KPD.
Keren banget ya kalau pakai
consists of 206
sarung tangan putih itu.
personnel over here. They're of course around to enforce price control, protect consumer rights, safeguard intellectual property, and also prevent the misuse of subsidized goods. So they really do look out for the rakyat in their own way.
Amazing to see.
Muka Melayu semua.
And as well, gracing us with their presence across the parade as we move to our civil
Penyelamat ini laut
Malaysia
pantai laut itu ya. Ini kan
starting with our led by Drum Major Defence Sergeant Major 2 Muhammad Hafiz, of course.
polis laut.
APM
Polis
band, of
apa?
course, at the back.
Benar nggak?
We have followed by the Civil Defence Force Malaysia.
Polis pantai, polis laut.
65 people, members coming across the royal box as they walk through the
Saya banyak jumpa
parade. Amazing
seperti ini ya, kostumnya di Sarawak cuy.
People are wondering why there's so many bands. Bands
Why
are
are there so
very,
many
very important for parades, ladies and gentlemen, because not only does it create that fanfare and that excitement in the air, but it also keeps everybody in check and in line as they march to the beat.
Truly, and we have more of the Civil Defence Force assets as well.
Benar kan?
Sorry to interrupt you there.
Yes,
Ibu
one of
anjing.
my favorite
Anjing.
assets.
They're not wearing
Anjingnya
socks
itu pusing itu. Aduh, kemana gue ini cuy?
I mean, just look at how cute he is. He was a bit afraid of the sirens, but can you blame him?
He's adorable, and yes, once again, some of the
Yeah.
Civil Defence Force assets, as you witness, the light rescue vehicle,
Comel.
the rapid rescue vehicle Raptor as well, and some of the mascots from the Civil Defence Force Malaysia. Now, with the slogan of "Ready, Swift, and with integrity," APM stands prepared to carry out its duties in
Perempuan,
disaster
anak-anak,
response
cuy.
in line with the latest technological developments that they are showcasing right now to you.
It's nice to
on
see a bit of a difference.
Oh,
with,
sensor.
instead of Abasado, we've got the Kakak APM this year. Oh, there we go. Little Oyen on screen.
Oh Yen.
The chief of security,
Oh, Yen.
in APM.
Oh
I
Yen.
like that sign. It says Ada Yang Jealous.
Aduh, ingat kucing saya yang hilang cuy. Tarjo namanya ya,
Yes,
Tarjo.
we truly are that we couldn't be a part of this. I would love to be aside to the foyer that just
Oh, yeah.
watches through the parade. Amazing response down here just around Putrajaya.
Nah, ini dia.
Now we're going to be moving on to
Jujur cuy ya, selama di Malaysia kostum ini ya, kostum ini yang selalu saya ingat dan selalu saya jumpai di Malaysia. Ya. Di masjid ada gitu ya, di mana-mana dia ada. Kayaknya sih lebih dekat dengan masyarakat sih. Itu menurut ini sih, selama penglihatan saya lah ya, selama ada di sana. Ini kostum yang sering saya lihat. Ya walaupun cuma relawan tapi ya salut. Dan orangnya ramah-ramah cuy.
That's right. Followed by their Setia Perwira Band.
Why?
This is from the Immigration Department of Malaysia.
Sakit. Sudah sakit di belakang cuy.
Strong, ladies and gents.
Yes, amazing. Setia Perwira Band that you just showcases as well. This is actually, they also placed second in a marching band competition by the Ministry of Home Affairs recently, which is led by DROM Major Immigration Officer Muhammad Amar Hakim and Kelvin Sim.
All right. Great stuff from the band there.
Yeah, of course, we love seeing the bands before the actual parade contingent.
I really do. I mean, some of the instruments, I like how they've really polished it up for the parade. I mean, if
Polis
ever a
lagi
talent
ke?
show, it would be now. And showing off on screen right now, ladies and gents, we have our Immigration Department.
Oh, immigration. Migrasi ya.
207 people. All right, 207 people up there on your screen. And they're, of course, in their different uniforms. Because they're from different departments from the immigration, of course, the immigration doesn't just stamp your passports when you arrive at a port. They also hand it.
Jangan tangkap saya ya. Saya nak melancong.
You can see that through their uniforms and the different equipment that they're carrying out today.
Truly, and with the slogan of professional, integrity and friendly, this contingent is actually led by Immigration Director Mr. Muhammad Anas with a strength of, like Daryl mentioned, 207 officers comprising of senior immigration officers, immigration enforcement officer, and even more PKK and PASTAC as well. And right to see on screens is actually the Mega Symphony Band, part of the Road Transport Department, JPJ, followed by the JPJ contingent as well.
They're also 207 packs strong.
1 jam aja cuy ya, 1 jam aja. Aduh ini udah
Of course, they're
sakit
getting
banget belakang gua cuy.
their boss.
Yes, and
Nggak fokus masalahnya kalau udah kayak gini.
Under JPJ, and I think many of you are probably familiar with some of these JPJ assets that you may be keeping a lookout or keeping an eye out
On the
when you're on the
streets,
streets, when you're driving, possibly to avoid maybe.
Depending on which side of the law you're on, hopefully you're all on the good side of the law, okay? And you'll be looking out for them to protect our streets and make it a safer place.
Truly, now some of the featured assets under JPJ is of course
JPJ.
motorcycles driven by the Falcon Unit and
Ya,
various
Kak.
drivers licenses, enforcement vehicles.
Kak.
JPJ,
And there you go.
the
Abang
Abang
Sado
Sado
juga.
JPJ.
Sado
He's
juga.
giving us a little hashtag of Abang Sado JPJ as well. Those of you who have
Sadonya masih
taken
kurang
note,
sih,
you use
masih
the hashtag I
masih
love
basah
Malaysia.
gitu ya.
And then hashtag Abang Sado JPJ. Interesting.
Masih basah.
Very interesting theme this year. But as I mentioned earlier when I was teasing this, that you're going to be seeing a lot of Abang Sados by the end of the program.
Abang Sados.
Even more Sado.
I'm going to let y'all decide at home which Abang Sado is most Sado.
Truly, and right now we actually have the Malaysian Prisons Department Henry Guinness School Band as well, led by Inspector Azhar Afifi and assisted by Band Sergeant Major, Prison Band Sergeant Major Sharizan,
Lampu saya pun dah kalah ini cuy. Ya, gara-gara durasi lama.
Contingent consisting a total of 207 packs, led by Deputy Superintendent Muhammad Amirzan Abdullah. Now, what are they known for mainly, Daryl?
The Brilliance in Prisons Department? Well, yeah, so one of the things that they do is they try to give out the inmates. I mean, everyone makes mistakes, okay, but they do try to give them, sort of implement rehabilitation programs.
Like
Try to give them
corrective service and
yeah, exactly.
corrective service,
And give them a second chance at life, essentially.
So they're definitely committed to guiding individuals' well-being as well, just to ensure the well-being of our nation along with.
Yeah.
Jadi setiap kontingen pasti ada drum bandnya cuy.
Customs Department band. They are 50 personnel strong.
We have the Royal
Perwakilan.
Malaysian Custom Department banner, followed by the Royal Malaysian Customs Department contingent. A total of 208 people, led by Assistant Director of Customs, Mr. Muhammad Khairul bin Mat. With a strength
Oh, ini
of
bersenjata ini,
once
cuy.
again, fully equipped with various types of firearms. Amazing to see their equipment and those that you've mentioned as well. As you can see, some of our senior customs officers, custom officers, WK1, officers from the passenger inspection,
Cara
enforcement
ngomongnya tadi gimana?
operations, and marine and narcotics division as well. Oh, Daryl, we have
One of my
Oh,
favorites
talk.
again. This is one of the animal assets, all right? This is
Talk.
they're displaying 10 sniffer dogs. Here,
Duh,
canine unit
anjingnya
for the
pusing ini.
narcotics
Waduh,
and
gila.
tobacco
Udah pakai sepatu.
section down there. The socks are out, the shoes are out. I think
Susah dia jalan itu, dia pakai sepatu.
yeah, it's a Labrador. Oh, look at the little buddy.
Look at that, look at that.
Along with the
Oh.
Royal Malaysian Customs Department assets as
Udah
well.
kayak patung itu. Kalau dia berdiri seperti begitu posisinya sampai akhir, wah, salut sih.
Driving economic growth, the collection of indirect
Nih.
taxes with the vision, excellence in customs service. Amazing to see some of your assets marching through the parade. A little showcase for us
Yeah,
as
I mean,
well.
I like the fact that
Fire,
they're
fire.
because a lot of the kids that are present here today would be witnessing this for the first time, and hopefully it inspires them to want to join some of these bodies in the future. A lot of the times as kids, all we see is the army or the air force, but we forget that there's so many different types of bodies in Malaysia that really can inspire and protect our country.
Yeah, that's exactly right. This is a place where we can learn
Yeah.
as well. And what you see on your screens.
Apa ini? Oh,
right now, we
kesehatan
have
ya.
the Department of Chemistry Malaysia,
Okay.
a scientific agency under the Ministry of Science, Technology,
Oh, science.
Innovation, led by
Okay.
chemists.
Saya kira tadi pakai baju COVID itu, cuy.
Comprising of 60 chemists
That's right.
as well, renowned for his expertise in, of course, forensic, environmental, and chemical safety analysis.
And over here on your screen, that's their mobile lab, one of their assets that they're showcasing this year. That's so cool because they can drive that lab anywhere on site should they need to perform their service or their act of service.
Yes, mainly actually especially designed to respond to disaster incidents or chemical threats. So it's a really good initiative that they have, in which now we have the Smart Malaysia contingent. SMART, of course, stands for Special Malaysia Disaster Assistance and Rescue Team. It's also the nation's elite search and rescue team under NATMA.
That's right.
Ih,
Now we've got
garang
the
banget ya
assets.
kalau
You see the
hitam
assets
gitu
here.
cuy.
We've got 6 assets, and they're also going to be highlighting 12 personnel from their asset contingent. These are some UTVs that you can see on your screen, followed by lorry container hook lift.
Lori kontainer.
Wow, never heard of that before.
Abang Popa yang bawa ini, lori kontainer ini.
For me personally as well, it's going to be first time for a lot of us witnessing these assets, not knowing that Malaysia actually had.
We never knew that they
Yeah.
actually possess this kind of high-tech equipment as well.
Exactly.
It's really amazing to see them bringing us this equipment, showcasing to us in the parade.
That's right, and if you turn your focus back onto the screens right now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Jambatan Bomba, the fire.
Oh, Bomba. Ini dia.
This is their band with 60-man strong band, along with the.
Kita lihat sadonya
They've got about
kering atau basah, cuy.
people. Now I know everybody's waiting for the moment. Okay, we're all waiting for the camera to pan to see the Abang Sado or the Abang Bomba. All right, your time will come, ladies and gents. Just give it
Mana?
a second. All right, let's pay our respect to the rest of the contingent. There you go.
Mana nggak kelihatan, cuy.
Abang Sado,
All the
Abang
ladies,
Bomba.
the crowd going a bit crazy there, waving
There
their
they go.
flags. I'm not sure in a feel of patriotism.
Oh, nggak disorot abang bombanya?
Looking at our Abang Sado.
Extra enthusiasm in the flag
Extra
waving there.
enthusiasm.
Wah, itu dia.
And of course the Kakak Bomba.
Itu belum ini sih, belum terbentuk.
Joining us now. Earlier, you actually witnessed some of the one of their canine units, I believe, part of the animal assets. They have sniffer dogs, part of the fire and rescue.
Mana,
department
Cok?
of Malaysia. Now you actually witnessed some of their, I would say, costumes and their uniforms of their bodies. They actually represent different tasks and duties and missions.
Wah, itu dia.
There, Abang belanja, Abang belanja,
Hmm,
Abang belanja
itu.
sikit tadi, guys.
Are you feeling
Kering.
intimidated or-
I don't think I'll ever be able to reach that level, so no,
Alena,
not
how do you
intimidated,
feel about
but
our Abang Sado up at the fire and rescue department?
Well, I think it's something that really brought the nation together at some point, and then, every.
Oh, itu dia.
Kakak-kakak there
Let's
as well.
go.
The combination of us coming together. So far, what is your favorite thing about the parade? Do you have a favorite contingent?
I have to say I really like the dogs
Itu
as well,
satu, cuy,
yeah.
kering banget
And the
itu.
Oyen, but just watching all of I think all the different marching bands go by is very nice as well.
Amazing, yeah. Because it's nice because we also get to listen to some music, and those that they also perform in more of a formal ritual.
Yes.
Most of these we don't really get to experience or witness
Yes,
outside
exactly.
of this as well. As
Exactly.
we move
Apa
to
ini?
our next contingent under national security, the first band that you're witnessing is actually the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency, led by Lieutenant American
Maritime.
Muhammad Amirul bin Abdullah, assisted by Warrant 1 Maritime Officer Abu Bakar and Drum Major leading Seaman Maritime Rahmat, part of the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency band, totaling of 41 people.
that is right. And now, ladies and gents, that is about 310 people there, yeah, by the way, guys. Okay, these are the guys from the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. This is their contingent, 310 packs, proudly marching there, representing their contingent, and more so than that, displaying their patriotism. Being a Malaysian on the 31st of August just means something completely different.
Truly, and it's actually led by Maritime Commander Muhammad Khairul Azhar.
Gimana cara pegangnya itu?
As well with,
Ih, nggak pegal apa ya, dalam berapa ini jaraknya itu dia begini aja.
And now you're witnessing the assets under the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency.
Yep, they've got 5 assets that they're displaying along with 30 people as well. Some of the assets that you can see on your screen, ladies and gents, are some boats.
Ini enak
a
di
boat,
situ,
boat
ada yang
bound
duduk.
airboat as well, and also a mobile,
Ini yang berdiri nih.
surveillance unit, MSU.
Yeah, apparently they're actually very equipped with the radar surveillance system, both showcasing land
berkeringat, cuy.
and sea assets as well. Some of the mobile surveillance unit as well as the four-wheel drive vehicle, which is able to operate across all types of terrain and weather conditions under the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency.
Yeah, we're now moving on to the mounted unit, the Royal Malaysia Police,
Wah,
or PDRM. Mounted
Cantiknya ya,
unit. The cavalry have arrived, ladies and
kudanya
gentlemen.
itu.
And look, the horse giving us a bit
They're
of a
all
nod.
nodding
Yeah.
their head.
Ini kalau ada kuda liar yang lepas ini, aduh bahaya sih.
One of the two. Either way, we're proud to have.
Tapi sudah ini sih, sudah terlatih semua sih ini.
Their little hats that they've got on that covers their ears.
Yes, and this is actually led by the Honorable Police Commissioner.
Nggak ditutup matanya sih ya.
Azmi bin Abu Qasim, the Director of Internal Security.
Biasanya yang liar itu ditutup matanya.
Who is actually right at the front.
Berarti ini semua yang sudah ini ya. Cantik ya kakinya dipakaikan itu. Les merah.
And if we focus our attentions on screen right now, you you'll see the contingent
Polis Diraja.
of PDRM.
PDRM.
Starting off with the placard barriers and the Malaysian
Polis.
flag and PDRM flag.
Nggak tahu kalau polis di Malaysia seperti apa, tapi kalau polis di Indonesia itu aduh.
25 people there following the
Ada.
Malaysia Police Central Band, PDRM's own band, led by Superintendent Muhammad Fazila bin Muhammad Noor and Drum Major Corporal Muhammad Farul Reza bin Ramlan.
You know, I absolutely love all the different uniforms that we're seeing today. Even within one body, like even within PDRM, they've got so many different uniforms. Very, very nice to see on display. Trust me, guys, if you're here with your kids, you're going to be creating some core memories with them right now.
Ini challenge yang menurut saya agak unik sih ya.
We're back bringing you the updates of today's National Day Parade 2025 here at Dakaran Putrajaya. I love the response that we actually garnered here as well. Now we are actually looking at the operational attire contingent, which comprises of general duties operations.
Oh, ini yang selalu di depan ini kalau ada demo.
Operations Force, Federal Reserve.
Kalau di sini bilangnya perintis ya.
Strike Force
Pasukan
and
perintis.
along with other commando operations as well.
Anjing pelacak.
Another one of the highlights, we're going to the
Dia
animal
sulit
handlers.
jalan itu karena
Here
pakai
there are
sepatu.
16 handlers and there's 16
Dia pakai ini apa namanya?
I want to call them puppies. They're not
Kasut,
really
cuy.
puppies, but I always call them puppies. I mean, they're
We
all
would love to call dogs puppies
Yeah,
all the
no
time.
matter
I
how
want them
old
to
they
say
are.
Dia jalan, wah macam mana nih? Nak jalan nih miring-miring, miring-miring.
This is actually more of the Royal Malaysia Police, PDRM assets as well, led by the Honourable Deputy Commissioner Dato' Sri Muhammad Yusri bin Haji Hassan Basri, the Director of the Traffic Investigation and Enforcement Department from PDRM. Now, I think some of these vehicles may be familiar, may not be familiar.
they're not so familiar to some of our viewers, but you've definitely seen them patrol our streets, keeping us all safe on the ground.
Truly amazing to see the different equipments, the transport type that they use, and once again for different missions, different tasks that are assigned to them as well. I think these are familiar cars along with the JPJ cars that we saw earlier.
Similar
This is probably
situation.
one that we also keep a lookout for if you're on the
Definitely.
streets.
By the way, I just want to highlight, guys, the view that you're getting right now, especially right now, is from a POV cam. This is what me and Erin were talking about earlier, how this year's parade is a bit more special. We've got POV cameras stationed on some of the assets. We've also got the spider cam that's flying through the sky, giving you aerial views of the parade. And just look at that sea of Jalur Gemilang just being waved, the Malaysian flag being waved in the background. I absolutely love these scenes right now.
Yes, and these are some of the point of views that even we've not experienced before ourselves. So it's truly refreshing to see what it's like, the experience of these officers being on their assets. How does it feel like? How does it look? We are here to give you all the 360 view as well. And right now we're showcasing more of the
Bagian penyelamatan ini.
tech that is owned and possessed by the, I believe, Royal
bagian
Malaysian
ini apa?
Police, PDRM.
Brimob ceritanya kalau di Indonesia.
We've got the Puzira 2 band now on your screens, ladies and gents rather. They are 36 men strong.
Parade as well. We actually have the
Wah, ini dia.
Malaysian Armed Forces
Army.
Reserve Force, consisting
Tentera.
of Territorial Army Regiment, Royal Malaysian Navy
Tentera,
Reserve
aduh.
Force, and the Royal Malaysian.
Mohon maaf banget. Sekali lagi mohon maaf banget cuy. Kali ini saya mengaku kalah ya. Saya mengaku kalah. 1 jam saja saya boleh berdiri cuy. Sumpah. Saya mau fokus juga gitu cuy. Nak tengok dengan nyaman gitu cuy. Kalau berdiri seperti ini cukup lah 1 jam ya. Oke?